Hey everybody, it's Todd, owner of Pete Sales and Service, coming at you today with our 2019 Beta 390, and we put together this little snow bike kit here with the Camso 129. Just wanted to give you a little show on what things are like to build it and to have some fun with. So you could have it on your own bike, and if you're only allowed one toy, this would be something to have that you can enjoy in the summer and the winter.
Look at this thing. What a monster. You think the customer would be happy with that?
Oh, how could you not be?
What a machine.
Absolute blast. Especially on a nice warm day like today. Oh, actually working up a sweat.
A little different than an ATV, a little different than a dirt bike, and a little different than a sled. I'm not sure where this thing fits into the category, but it's a very interesting machine that kind of breaks all the rules. When I was given the opportunity to take a video of this thing, I said, why wouldn't I? It's quite the little monster, but it's something to keep in mind. It's not exactly a new sport. It's certainly newer, but it's something to consider when you're out there, if you've already got a dirt bike, and like we said before, if you want to just double down on usage of your dirt bike, this is the way to do it. So Camso provided the track for that, and Beta is obviously the dirt bike. And Pete Sales and Service here sells both of those. All sorts of unique ways of doing things, and I just wanted to make sure it was clear that, you know, you can do this. This is something you can make happen with a machine that you might already have. So it was very cool, and I'm glad I got to see it in action, because it certainly breaks all the rules. So there you have it, folks. That wraps this thing up. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I don't know a whole lot about them, but I know a guy who does. So I couldn't pass up an opportunity to see this thing in action. It's definitely something that may be involved in my future. I would have loved to get out and ride it, but the honest truth is this belongs to a customer, and he gave permission to Todd to give her a quick rip. Just wanted to get this out to you guys and just see something different. So if you liked what you saw, just let me know. If you have any questions, comment down below, like, subscribe, and share the whole bit. Thanks for watching, guys.